welcome everybody at our conference. This conference is all about sharing the good practices of our partner organizations. We work with youth in Poland, in Czechia, in Slovakia, and many, many other countries. As you know, you are here from 8 different countries. We have partners with at least 20 different countries. So we share our good practices. Did you enjoy the performance?
Yeah!
First information about the yoga was about 4,000 years ago, and it was combined with the Arya civilization in the Indus Valley in India. And the meaning of the yoga is, like I said yesterday, it means huge, means connected. So you connected yourself, your consciousness with higher consciousness. It means that you connected the body, the spirit, and the mind in the one. So it's like a one mechanism. And it's about this is the knowledge about the living.
Toto je tá časť pôdy, kde je veľmi málo života.
This part of soil has like really like low amount of life.
Tuto je pomerne veľa života.
Here's like quite a lot of life.
A toto je vzorka toho, keď som z lesa zobrala mikroorganizmy a spravila som túto vrstvičku. Lesné mikroorganizmy. Z lesa.
Forest microorganisms.
Toto je kompost, to je toto.
That's compost.
A toto je takýto mulč, organická hmota. Mŕtva.
Organic matter.
Potom tá komunita môže spolu spievať, maľovať a robiť rôzne iné ďalšie aktivity, aj treba vysádzať tie rastlinky, lebo stále pracujú spolu.
So not only they gonna work with the soil, but they can connect with singing, just like we did. You know, we did the workshops in the morning, we did the singing afternoon, to connect the arts and the work in the fields to really improve your well-being.
Preto je dôležité, aby sme sa vedeli spojiť a vedeli vytvárať spoločne mnohé veci.
It's to connect us and help us to work together and create better things.